Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Privacy warning message is today's video topic in iOS 14 on iPhone and iPad. If you have privacy warning message under your current Wi-Fi name, it means your device is exposing your MAC address to router and to this network. So let's know what we need to do to end this notification. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notification. The first thing that we have to do, launch settings, then go to Wi-Fi, tap on your router name, and next to the auto join, turn off private address. Next, tap rejoin. Once you done this, go to Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. After turning off Wi-Fi, wait for few seconds and turn on Wi-Fi. Now you have no privacy message under Wi-Fi name. The second thing that we have to do, reset network settings. To reset network settings, launch settings, tap on general, tap on reset and tap reset network settings, put your passcode and tap again reset network setting to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.